Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter the settings on SJ CAM C200. And to do this, first we'll need to power on our camera with the power switch right here. Click and hold it for a few seconds until you hear the sound. Then we need to take a look on the right side of our camera. There's this M button. Click and hold it for around 2 seconds until you see the gear icon on the screen. Here's that gear icon. Now we're gonna click on OK button, which is the power key right here again. Click on that and you will enter the settings. Now to switch between different stages or pages, you'll need to click on that M button again. Or actually click and hold that button to change between different stages, like a language we have right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.